In a previous video, I found that it's apparently not that difficult to create a Bitcoin wallet on the blockchain itself. Apparently it only takes 50 lines of code and it's fairly easy to execute. Well, today I'm going to do that. I have no idea what I'm doing in coding, but I'll take you through every step of the way. Hold your thumbs. Seeing that I have no idea what I am doing, I am gonna employ some help from the one and only, apparently greatest AI in town. Write code for creating Bitcoin wallet. Enter. So it's just doing its thing. I have no idea what's happening at the moment. So this is creating, this uses EDA, blah, 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 generates private key. So can it be this easy? Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got. Here is some simple code in Python that demonstrates how to create a new wallet. So import. So we've got the code. Let's read. What does it say? The code uses that one and hashlib something libraries. Now I've got the code. What now? What should I do with the code? Code I provide a simple of a function, a new Bitcoin wallet. To use the code, you'll need to have a Python installed on your computer. To run the code, you can copy and paste into an editor, save this Python file with a py. How to make Python work into an exe. That sounds good. After watching a couple of YouTube videos, I learned that I have to compile the code into an exe file. I can also run the code on the compiler itself, but I first have to install the compiler on my computer, and I did that. After installing the compiler, you have to install some things in the command prompt. So now that I had the computer ready, it was time to test the code. So let's do that. Copy code, print it here. So let's see. Syntax error, multiple statements. Let's ask. So even though it gave me an answer, I still didn't have any idea what was really going on. And at this point, now that I edit the video and I see I actually used the compiling program wrong. But wait, it didn't stop there. Yeah, so that can't be on two lines. It must be under each other. Okay, so let's do this. Let's see. Why is this a syntax error? Why does this code give a syntax error? So anyway, this carried on and on and on and on, and I don't want to bore you with the time it took me to figure out what was going on. But I went on, I was using online compilers, I was searching websites, I watched videos, I did all sorts of things to try and figure out how is something that everybody's saying is so simple, something that I cannot do. That was until this morning when I decided, you know what, let me delete everything and let me try one more time because this video has been taking a very long time. And I just want to check, maybe I'm just missing something. And this happened. I decided to change the question slightly. I decided to add more detail. I told it exactly what I was looking for. I told it exactly where it should give the answers to me, and I told it exactly how to execute. So I waited for it to finish writing all of the code. I copied the new code, expecting errors and issues as all of the other times. And I mean, I was really just trying to do it for the last time. And I was ready to just give up and carry on to the next video. I opened the compiler and pasted the fresh new code in there, saved it, and decided to run the code. And what? It works! Are you serious? Now let's open up the folder where I saved it, and I want to see, wow, there's the text folder that I asked it to save. My private key, public key, and my wallet address, and all of it's here. Can you believe that? So there's only one thing left to do. We've got to jump onto the blockchain explorer, and let's see if this address is real. So what we need is we just need to copy the wallet address, copy that, put it in here, and let's look for it. And there we are. It's got a Bitcoin address and a Bitcoin cache, which means this wallet is in use. The balance is obviously 0 as we haven't used it yet, and the rest is none. But the actual wallet was created. So yeah, this was an incredible learning experience, and I learned a lot. And I learned that ChatGPT is very similar to a very, very expensive tool in any craft. If you buy it and you have no idea how to use it, it's worthless. But if you know exactly what to do with it, how to do with it, and when to use it, it changes you into an incredible craftsman. And that's what ChatGPT is. It's a very expensive tool for free, which I suggest you learn as soon as possible because it is incredible. If you don't want to create your own Bitcoin wallet and you just want to sign up for Exodus wallet, watch the video on the screen right now. Go click and get your own wallet right there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you there.